What colors are going to dominate interiors in 2025? This year is all about bold, confident choices that make a lasting impact. Stick around to see which shades are trending and how you can use them to refresh your space. Let's get started. Navy continues to hold its place as a timeless and elegant choice. This rich shade is perfect for adding depth, whether in walls, cabinetry, or upholstery. Metallics like gold or copper give navy a modern edge, while soft blush pinks or light grays create a softer, balanced look. Some of the best shades to check out are Hague Blue, Old Navy, and Encore. Pantone's 2025 color of the year, Mocca Mousse, is a rich, earthy neutral that blends warmth and versatility effortlessly. Whether used on walls or furniture, it creates inviting spaces with a grounded, organic charm. Pair it with creamy whites or beige for a timeless palette, or for a bold twist, use muted greens like sage or olive. Some of my favorite shades are Hazelnut Cream, Chestnut, and Café au lait. Green energizes 2025 interiors, with shades ranging from deep emerald to bright lime, adding a fresh, natural vibe to walls, furniture, and decor. Pair green with warm wood tones or crisp whites for a clean look. For something more dramatic, jewel tones like navy or gold work beautifully. Our favorite greens are mint, sage, and emerald. Ready to discover which of these trends is right for your home? Take our quick and fun style quiz. It's the easiest way to find your signature look. Click the link in the description to get started. Red is making a bold comeback in 2025, with vibrant hues showing up in furniture, decor, and even walls. This striking color injects passion and energy into your space. Balance red with warm neutrals like taupe or beige, or pair it with navy or black for contrast. For a playful twist, try softer pinks or peaches. 3 red shades we're loving are Persian Red, Crimson, and Poppy Field. Black is going big in 2025, taking over walls, furniture, and decor for a dramatic and modern feel. This bold choice adds depth and sophistication to any room, from living spaces to kitchens. Warm woods like walnut or oak soften the look, while gold or brass accents add a luxurious touch. For contrast, pair black with crisp white or light gray. Some gorgeous shades of black to try are Pitch Black, Soot, and Black Magic. Which 2025 color trend are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more interior design tips and inspiration. Until next time.